Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer McDonald and I'm the Equality, Diversity and Inclusion Project Manager for NMIS. Thank you so much for taking part in the transition workshop. We absolutely loved having you. We got loads of information and we hope that it supports you in moving towards the manufacturing industry. We don't want to leave you there, so we have a few more tips and a few things for what's next with you continuing your journey towards the manufacturing industry or whatever is next for you. These tips will be very practical. I'll give you the links and the destinations for all of these, and these all can be done today or in the future to support you to manufacturing. The first one from us is the graduate scheme with NMIS. Our graduate scheme gives you the opportunity to undertake a fully paid placement of between 3 to 6 months through our Manufacturing Skills Academy. You will work with one of our Scottish-based industry partners, typically a small to medium-sized manufacturing firm, or within one of the NMIS technical teams. Depending on where you are in Scotland, you can be matched locally with one of our industrial partners based in areas such as Aberdeen, the Highlands, Dumfries, Fife, Ayrshire, Edinburgh, Glasgow and surroundings, the Scottish borders, or within an NMIS specialist technology centre. So we have loads of opportunities for you guys to get involved. So what should you guys expect taking on a graduate scheme? We will match candidates to a role that focuses on your skill set, which could be anything from new product development to research, digital manufacturing, materials expertise, designing or prototyping electronic and embedding systems, and loads more. And what's really exciting is our last round of training saw graduates placed across some of the country's most ambitious companies and organisations. Some of these roles included coordinating a steering group to lead the development of a new powerhouse R&D and education facility, building engineering and business cases for sustainable repair and remanufacturing of wind turbine parts, supporting ongoing NMIS research on carbon capture for remanufacturing and manufacturing of space, aerospace and defence parks with one of the largest manufacturers of satellite technology in Scotland. Some of these graduates went on to be offered permanent positions within their organisation following training. So this is something that we are so proud of and so proud to be able to give you. The applications are open right now. If you go directly to the NMIS website, you will find the application process and you will see that there's a few different steps involved. So how do you apply? We're looking for enthusiastic, recent university or college candidates who help drive the future of manufacturing in Scotland. If you meet the conditions below, then please complete the online form and provide us with your CV and a short video. Have no fear about the short video, we'll talk about that coming forward. Applicants should also be aged 25 and over. We will look at 25 and under as well, and struggling to find work within manufacturing. Graduated recently in a STEM-related subject, and you have to reside in Scotland. So I can imagine now that I've mentioned a video for your CV, you're all thinking about that. We would like you to provide us with a video of no more than 3 minutes long, introducing yourself and covering the points that we'll talk about below. We welcome videos filmed on your phone or webcam, and we'll only focus on the content and not the production quality, so have no fear. The video should cover your professional and educational qualifications and reasons for applying for an NMIS graduate training, your key skills and why you will be an asset to NMIS and an industrial partners, what kind of role you would like, for example, software development, practical shop floor experience, data analysis, product design, realization, infinite element modeling and analysis, and so many more. We want to fit what you would like to do. and your main strengths and how you can contribute to growing the advanced manufacturing sector in Scotland. We would love to hear your ideas. So some quick tips before you start is keep it short and simple. Write down your points you would like to make and read them out aloud, and perhaps ask your friends and family to be in the audience. Find a quiet place with a neutral background before you hit record, and look directly into the camera and speak in a loud, clear voice. There's tips for uploading the video on the website with step-by-step guides on how to use an uploaded video on YouTube. So now you know we have graduate schemes opportunities within NWIS. The next thing for you to do is update your CV. From all the learnings that we had from the transition workshop, I'm sure you have great ideas and opportunities to increase your CV optimization. Another exciting opportunity to really boost your CV is to take part in the manufacturing training courses that are free directly from NWIS. You can see the list of opportunities on our website right now. These trainings are called Continuous Professional Development Programme and have been designed in collaboration with partner organisations at the forefront of digital innovation to meet the needs of people and manufacturing businesses throughout the country, regardless of their specialism. We've tailored our courses to suit a variety of needs of different people within the manufacturing environment and cover the essentials as well as key topics such as cybersecurity, supply chain development, operational excellence, artificial intelligence, optimization, and strategy development. Please note some of these courses have criteria that must be met to qualify for a place, and details of that will be on the NWIS website. We are constantly uploading and providing new courses and forefront opportunities, so please keep an eye on our websites. It's also important when you're looking for opportunities to make sure you're looking in the widest areas you can. The Sectoral Skills Assessments, SSAs, look at current and future skills demand in the key sectors across Scotland. And from 2022, these assessments will be published annually with a review of new data, evidence, and insight. These assessments focus on key strategic drivers, the economy, current and future demand, and job postings. And industry experts have also provided sectoral insight focusing on the future challenges and ambitions of each sector. These are so valuable to find, and you'll find them on the SDS website, the Skills Development Scotland website. They update you on all the skill shortages that are expected, and a lot of those skill shortages will be somewhere that you can reach into as a technical background and reach forward for. Also, remember when you're looking for positions, especially when you're starting, to look also for short-term positions and part-time positions. These opportunities could give you an avenue into a unique experience and skill set that you may not get from a traditional graduate programme. It also gives you an insight on a short-term basis for you to start with your next steps forward. It's important to keep current with topics within the industry you're looking for so that you can understand what's going on within it. For example, the ScotWind contract has been in the news recently. Contracts worth almost 700 million for new offshore wind farms along Scotland's coast is one of the biggest, most significant days in National's energy and industrial future. This will need a significant amount of input of new jobs, new skills, and new graduates to fulfill. The First Minister said it was really exciting as it was announced 17 projects have been awarded contracts in the leasing of seabeds for the development of offshore schemes. The nation's largest ever auction of permits to contract offshore wind farms has seen final awards totalling the 700 million mark and includes contracts with Scottish Power, Shell, SSE and BP. As you can hear from those names, there's a lot of opportunity there. Keep an eye on emerging sectors in Scotland. Space has had a big growth within Scotland and a very exciting move forward for us. Renewables are talked of in many different locations, and I'm sure you'll be able to find some content on them. And the move to electrification and hydrogen. These are all exciting sectors that are coming forth within Scotland, and we'll need skills to build on them. So now to the future. We cannot wait to tell you about our micro-credentials. They're coming in the early spring. Micro-credentialing is a process of earning a micro-credential, which are like mini degrees or certifications in a specific topic area. Our first micro-credentials will include net zero topics, and they'll have 20 credits each with Strathclyde University qualification and are flexible to what you're able to do with your time. These are something that will really boost your knowledge and your awareness of what's coming next in manufacturing, but also something great to put on your CV. We are constantly building courses to be able to put out for you, and some of the upcoming topics are very exciting to us. Digital transformation and net zero are the ones that I'm most excited about. So keep on top of the NMIS website and you'll be able to find as much there. We'll also advertise on our LinkedIn page, so please follow NMIS LinkedIn and NMIS Manufacturing Skills Academy, and you'll find all the information there. There was also a question in the transition workshop about arts and tourism and how relevant they are to this transition in manufacturing. We need all the skills available to us, and we value everyone who has previous experience. I hope all of this proves that there's lots of opportunity for you in Scotland for manufacturing and beyond, and it's a really exciting time to be part of it. Look outside your horizons, don't be fearful, and try and make your network work for you. Use LinkedIn and opportunities like free training to maximise your output and make sure you're the one that gets the most exciting opportunities with all this coming forward. I hope all the information today and the information that you got from the transition workshop has supported you in knowing that manufacturing is an option for you in your further career. If you've got any further questions, please contact AFBE, Equate Scotland, or ourselves at NMIS for any support. And I look forward to seeing you register for some of our courses. Thank you.